Here's the fastest hidden method to contact Amazon customer support directly on your computer. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Help. This takes you to Amazon's customer service section, but the real support options are still hidden. On the Help page, look for Browse Help Topics and select Need More Help? Then click on Contact Us. This section isn't obvious, but it's where Amazon hides chat and phone support. You'll now see a menu asking what you need help with. Choose the category, such as an order, returns, payments, or account issues. Your answer will unlock the available support options. After selecting your issue, scroll down. Amazon will show different support methods depending on availability. Most users will now see Chat with an Amazon associate or Request a call. Click Chat to speak with support instantly, or choose Phone, and Amazon will call you within seconds, no waiting on hold. If these options don't appear, scroll back to the top and type Contact Customer Service into the search bar. Click the first result. This often forces Amazon to display chat and phone support, even when it's hidden. And that's it. This is the hidden way to reach Amazon's real customer support team fast.